KP Tower, velocity 51576, holding short of 36 at Golf for northbound.
51576, Navy Tower, on course approved, runway 36 at Golf, clear for takeoff.
Runway 36 at Golf, clear for takeoff, 51576.
Crew check 402, you're following company on half mile final, runway 4, clear touch and go, then runway heading.
Following company on final, traffic is in sight, runway 4, touch and go, then final runway heading, crew check 402.
Crew check 249, follow the company ahead of you, runway 4, clear to land.
Following company ahead, runway 4, clear to land, crew check 249.
Traffic. Oil pressure. Oil pressure. Oil pressure. Oil pressure.
No, it's just maxed out at 80 psi because it's cold. 167 degrees. You think it'd be warm enough?
Approaching altitude.
Still got it full power. Touch the brakes to see if the vibration will get
Crew check 233, when able, make right traffic.
Enable make right traffic, crew check 233.
We're getting vibration though. Oh, get the mixture pulled way back. That's probably not a good thing. Huh.
Mixture and rich and full power in.
Yeah, we're still getting vibration though, more than normal. More power than normal too, because we're 90% power right now.
Set the power back a little bit. Mixture back a little bit.
You just went through 1,000 feet, so we're down. Yeah, I'd pull the power back a bunch more unless you're really in a hurry.
Tower 6 Street, Juliet Alpha, 9 miles to the west of the field, and done for touch.
So I have the heat on right now, and that's all you got.
Yeah.
I feel a little bit
Scott. 010. November 1 Whiskey Lima, left turn westbound, runway 36 Alpha 6, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 36 Alpha 6, left turn on approved.
I'm good.
Kind of a drop in there, huh?
Wasn't really bad though.
Velocity 576, left to Golf 2, contact ground point 9.
Golf 2, ground 9er, 576.
Golf 2 right there.
Crew check 233, turn base.
Venom base, crew check 233.
Don't get across the line.
Clear to Sanford via as filed. I will.
That's an RV taking off.
1,600, expect 9,000, 10 minutes after. 118.8, squawk 2370, extension 444.
Check that, 444, read back correct.